It is easy to understand how a reciprocating electric saw converts rotational motion into linear motion. You can see the inside of its plastic casing at a glance. A motor, a set of gears, and a working shaft are the main components. The current flows from the plug through the wires to the switch. Trigger switches are common on power tools. When you press down, the current flows to the motor and makes it rotate. When you release your hand, it will automatically rebound, disconnect the power supply, and stop the motor from rotating. Electric saws usually use brush motors, which consist of rotor electronics. When they are energized, they convert electrical energy into rotational kinetic energy. The rotation of the motor drives the gear set to rotate. By driving the small gear to the large gear, the torque can be effectively increased. This part is called the pendulum component, which converts rotational motion into linear motion. There is an oblique groove inside it. When the pendulum rotates, it generates a back and forth thrust in the groove. In this way, the rotational motion is converted into a linear motion that goes back and forth. But there is a problem here at the top. The oscillation effect when the pendulum rotates will make it tilt up and down, causing the trajectory of the forward and backward motion to be an arc instead of a straight line. This problem is easy to solve. Just add a movable transverse pin at the top. With this design, the rotational motion can be perfectly converted into linear reciprocating motion, like comment,